everyone. David Coe with the Coe Real Estate Group. Hey, one of the things that we get as part of being with Keller Williams is a super cool app that you can use if you're looking for properties. So, see here, for example, I'm actually sitting here in my office on at the Point and looking at properties around us in Manhattan Beach. Right, if I hit the for sale, I can see everything from active, pending, coming soon, new construction, foreclosures, and short sales. Let's say I just wanted to see what new construction was available. I could do that and I get a list of all the properties that are new construction, and I can go through and look at their photos and get more information on the properties themselves as well. Or perhaps maybe I don't want to see what's just for new construction. I want to see what's active and coming soon, but I only want to see properties that are priced from $1 million to $2 million. Right? So I can now see that. And then as I move my screen, it'll also give me properties that are in that price range. Maybe I just want to see houses. I don't want to see any apartments or condos. Right? So now I can filter that search even more. Or maybe I don't even want to see what's for sale. I want to see what's recently sold. Right? If you're curious if there's a property in your neighborhood that recently sold and you're curious what it looked like, what it sold for, you could then use this feature, and some of them even have a virtual tour where you can go through and take a tour of the property. So it's a really cool app. If you want to get the link to my app, click the link below. Also, each one on my team also has their own app, so their links are below as well. So please go ahead and download our app through KW. And if you're real estate curious, you can take a look and see what's around you. David Coe with the Core Real Estate Group. I hope you're doing well, and I hope to talk to you soon.